Check and copy that URL. And meet him, Dheeraj. Okay, paste there. I think you have not copied properly. Okay, now click on processing. Select resource path. See, select option is there, right side. No, yes. Okay, click on step 2. Now select entity. Entity. Yes. Okay, now select customer. Third option. Okay. Now select field, customer ID, company name, city, and region. Okay, scroll down. Now here select top 5. Okay, now click on finish. Now save and deploy. See, in HTTP adapter, we manually write the query, right? We was written query manually, but here in OData configuration, that query selection option is coming, right? Here, adapter configuration is different. Okay, now deploy. Okay. You get success message. Now open that postman tool. 1 minute, 1 minute. First, save this. Click on save. Click on save. Save. SAVE, save. Okay, now select HTTP adapter. Now save. Now this query, this endpoint and its result will be stored or saved in this collection, HTTP adapter collection. See, left side, it is saved there. So every time when you will test any endpoint, that time you have to save that test result in that particular collection. Okay. Now create new collection as a OData adapter. No, no. New collection. Now click on plus sign. Test endpoint here. Okay, select authorization. Basic. Okay, now send. Okay. So check now, have you got the correct result or not? Hmm. So, okay, go back to your trial account. First, save this. Save this under the OData adapter. Type OData. There in search, type OData. Select now. Save. Okay. Now go back to your trial account. Open that OData configuration. Yes. Okay, now tell me the difference between HTTP configuration and OData configuration. One minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshuman.
Ma'am, in
What is
HTTP,
the
ma'am, in HTTP uh, adapter, we assign a variable name and a query in that variable name assigned by manually. But in this, we use a tool in OData for the query and fetch the data from the
Yes, it's
URL.
in OData adapter to build the query. That option is coming, right? That option is given in configuration. But in HTTP adapter, we need to write query manually, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the difference between HTTP and OData adapter. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
HTTP adapter we are using to communicate with the web service and REST API. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And OData adapter, when we are using this OData adapter, when we have to communicate with OData service, that time we are using this OData adapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now create new package as a converter. Converter.
What, ma'am?
Converter.
This one, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Created, ma'am.
Oh, 1 minute, Anshuman. Okay, click on converter. That blue color, that name is coming.
This one, ma'am.
Above the convert. No. Yes, that one only. Okay, now in action there is one. See, one symbol is coming. There. Click on that. View metadata. Click on that.
Ma'am, I clicked.
Edit. Okay, now that erase that name and give name as a XML to JSON converter.
Okay. This one.
Save.
Okay. Open this one.
Okay, give me 1 minute. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Shuman, copy that code XML payload. Admit him. Okay, 1 minute. Open that postman. Okay. Click on plus.
In collections.
No. That URL one. Endpoint one. Click on body.
Raw, ma'am.
Test row. Yes. Test beautify.
Not working.
Click on beautify.
Ma'am, not working.
Why?
I clicked it, ma'am, many times.
But it is working. Change that format JSON to XML.
Okay.
Now beautify. Okay, now copy this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, keep it as it is. Okay, now go back to your trial account. Okay, open that JSON to XML, XML to JSON. Sorry. Now make connection between sender and start. HTTPS. Give address as a XML to JSON converter. Okay, now add that palette function XML to JSON converter. In search tab, search.
Ma'am, yes. I uncheck this.
Yes.
Converter there is no.
In search, you can search. The last is coming at last.
Where have to, ma'am, put this? Keep this.
Yes. In integration process, in that row. On that row.
This.
Yes. Place it properly. See, connection is not made.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now save and deploy.
Deploy, ma'am.
Yes. So this XML and JSON, these two are the text format. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are having different. Both are having different syntaxes. But in CPI, mostly we are using this two file format, this two text format.
Mostly, ma'am.
Okay. Mostly, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
We are using different format also, like a CSV and other format, but mostly we are working with this XML and JSON file format. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now create new collection. Give name as a converter. Okay, now open that URL. No, that previous one. No. Okay, take endpoint and test here.
Yes, ma'am.
Select authorization. Okay, now send. Okay, now visualize. Expand that. Visualize. No. Click on that first option, raw JSON.
Okay.
See. So using this now click on body that above input window. Yes. Take it down. So using XML to JSON converter, we have converted the XML payload to the JSON format. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose your sender is sending payload or data in XML format, but client wants data in a JSON format. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That time using this converter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Because some systems are using a JSON format only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Now go back to your trial account.
Ma'am, firstly save this.
Yes. First save.
Yes.
Now create new artifact in converter package only. Yes. Add JSON to XML. JSON to XML. And follow the same step.
Save and deploy, ma'am.
Have you assigned the address
Oh no, ma'am.
in center? Without address, that endpoint will not generated. And every address should be unique. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And it will give error.
Use a JSON file.
Yes. Open that previous URL, previous result. Now copy JSON payload. Now we have to use this JSON payload as the input here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Send it, ma'am.
yes. Okay, so in this way we are using converters. Okay, there are many types of converter, but mostly we are using these converters. So we have created iFlow for these converters only. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
first we will try to complete the necessary the required palette functions. Then we'll go with other options, remaining option. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So, what you have to do, you have to prepare one document,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
in that document, you have to note down what is the use of HTTP adapter, what is the use of OData adapter, and what is the converter, why we are using converter. Okay. Also, you have to study this text format, JSON and XML. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
um, what is the starting tag, how to how to write the starting tag, how to use the closing tag, okay, how to write the element, what is the root element,
In
that you
XML.
have to study. Yes, this is XML. You have to study both text format, JSON and XML, because in some cases we are getting error in XML payload. So as a CPI developer, it is our responsibility to find the error and correct the payload. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose in case any single slash or any equal to sign is missing, then also it is giving error. So we should know what is the error and why this error is coming. Okay. They are not giving us means lots of time or any 2 to 4 hours to solve the one issue. They are asking immediately within half hour only what is the issue.
Okay.
So it is our responsibility to solve the error. So we should know these tags. What is the opening tag, what is the closing tag, what is the root element,
Okay, ma'am.
and this all. Okay. Okay. Okay, then Anshuman, you can drop off. I will check others thing.
Okay, ma'am.